Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part two about invisible lines. In the first video, we did this, and there's something stopping the Smart Fill tool, and I showed how you could go to Wireframe and look at it, and those are the visible lines. If you don't understand that, uh, please watch part one. But they're not visible. Well, another way to look for them would be to go to Windows Dockers Objects. And if you look in later versions of Corel, there's pictures, like there's an ellipse, which is that circle. There's a curve, which is the part of the handle, another curve. There's two objects that are not listed. I don't know if you can see that on your monitor, but there's two that are not listed in your, they're just not, there's no shape. Like that's the shape of the scissors, that's the shape of the ellipse, that's a curve, and that's a curve. Well, this is a curve, and if you look, when we click on it, there's no outline, it's just a black fill, but there's no object. So if you click on those two, it shows you those two objects that you can see only in Wireframe. So if you ever have a problem, you can always go to Object Manager, and that's the way I do it. Let's go back to Enhance. I'm going, well, what is that? Well, just hit delete. What is that? Hit delete. And if you look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 objects. And if we select them right down there, we have 4 objects, and there's 4 listed on the Object Manager. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.